again, Medicine Hat. Welcome back. It's Craig here, Medicine Hat Toyota. Behind me, we've got a 22 Tundra. We've done a little bit to this truck. The number one thing we've done to the truck is a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit. As you can see, it's giving some good height on the front end, as well as the back, of course. We've run some fuel salt rims on here. These are an 18-inch fuel rim, and we've paired that with a BF Goodrich K02. These are 35, 12.5, 18s on these, so they're the big guys. It's really given us a good look for the truck. We're going to add some other things on, but you can see just with the few items that we have done to it how nice it looks. Any comments, any questions, please reach out if you want to get one of these for yourself. Give us a shout, talk to sales, we'll get you hooked up. This one is not for sale right now. But again, reach out to parts, reach out to sales, and we can put something together for you. Thanks a lot, Medicine Hat.